Okay, before I start this morning, I thought I'd do a progress report. My neighbor out here hanging out. So, all this has one coat, which for now is all we're going to do. We do have two coats of the side, the slate color. And the railings of all have two coats. I'm going to try to lift that up this morning, see how that goes. But first, we're ready to prime this. Last night, I took out a couple boards here, and I had this wide one from some steps I took out at Zehr State. I think they were the front steps, actually. And I set all the boards aside. I've used all the others. This was the last one I think I have. But it's the right thickness. It's the right, it's treated lumber, aged well. So I put that in to take up two boards. I also put in a cross piece here underneath. There's a board that goes underneath there. And that's because this one is not connected out there. See, the way the deck was made, it fastens there, here, and over here, but if you, in the case of the vent, I didn't have anything to fasten to, so that's what this board is for. Now, I had a smaller one in there originally, but it broke. But I think it's because all the water was coming down here and it rusted the screws too much. Then I replaced this one because this one had a bad end. And that used up all my long pieces that I have, so I really couldn't replace any more at this point without buying some, and I didn't want to do that at this point. But it still looks good, and I think it took care of all the ones that I was mainly concerned with. So I cleaned them, swept them well, and now what I'm going to do is pull these stones, lay them down. Lay them all down here, and then pull those out enough so I can clean that off, brush it off really good, and start priming. So that's the goal, and let's get started.